Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set AM and PM on the status bar on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open and tap on Proceed and give this app this permission. Now once you do that, just scroll down and tap on Good Lock. Then tap on Visit Find Log homepage. From here, tap on Good Lock, then tap on Download APK. Select Download, then tap on Open. Now just select Install. Select Open. Now just tap on Agree and Continue. Now once you do that, just go back to the FindLog app and from here, just tap on quickstar. Tap on Visit FindLog homepage, then tap on quickstar. Tap on Download APK and select Download. Then tap on Open and select Install. Tap on Done. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the FindLog app. Then tap on Quick Start and enable Quick Start. Now once you enable Quick Start, then go to Clock Settings and enable Show AM and PM. And this is how you can set AM and PM on status bar on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.